Hi, welcome to the Unit 1 review. We're going to be talking about early humans and Mesopotamia. The first stop on the review tour is the Paleolithic Age. This is the age when humanity first began. We see a lot of use of stone tools and fire. Both of these helped people survive in the ice ages. Paleolithic people lived a nomadic lifestyle. That means that they were always on the move from place to place, using weapons and stone tools and bows and arrows to help them do what they needed to do to survive, which is mostly find food by hunting and gathering. The second part of the Stone Age is called the Neolithic Age. This is when things really started to change. People started farming and using bronze tools. This meant that they were, for the first time, really able to settle down, which leads us to our first civilization that we're going to study this year. Mesopotamia. As you can see, I've written a Mesopotamia stuff about Mesopotamian inventions. The first and probably the most important Mesopotamian invention is irrigation. This is the system of canals that brought water from the Tigris and the Euphrates rivers in Mesopotamia. Remember the Tigris and the Euphrates, to farms for domestic animals and farming. This helped the Mesopotamians create a surplus, which helped them trade, which helped them become a civilization. The second big Mesopotamian invention was cuneiform. This was their system of writing and record keeping, written by scribes onto clay tablets. This also helped them write the first piece of literature ever, the first big piece of literature ever, called the Epic of Gilgamesh. Mesopotamia also had one among the first religions. They were a polytheistic religion, which means that they worshipped more than one god, and they did a lot of the worship in places called ziggurats. These were their religious buildings. Up at the top of the ziggurat was the shrine where the Mesopotamians believed that the gods lived. Only the priests were allowed up there. So, kind of, again, looking at some of the things that the Mesopotamians did, they were farmers, irrigation, the plow, the calendar, told them when they would be able to farm, how they would be able to farm, when the floods would come. The sailboat was a big invention that actually allowed them to help trade. A lot of the trade was with other civilizations across the world. And we'll get into a lot of these civilizations, but the Greeks and the Egyptians, and the sailboat allowed them to go not only up and down the Tigris and the Euphrates, but also to these other civilizations. The last thing we looked at is Hammurabi's Code. Hammurabi is most well known for creating laws, the system of laws for Babylon, the Babylonian Empire in Mesopotamia. He's also known for a lot of other things, military conquests, but the thing that we really remember him for today is Hammurabi's Code. So again, this is the Unit 1 review. Take notes on this, study this, and also you can go to Quizlet.com and search LXMS. It's LXMS, and that'll bring you to the Unit 1 study review, and it will give you all the vocabulary you need. Great. Okay, good luck. Have a great day.